All right. Um, no, I've been going for a minute. I wasn't trading, so no reason to record. But today, go to the 15-minute time frame on NQ and on ES. Overall, we're just looking for anything the market presents. Right now, we're inside of this 15-minute gap right here. Maybe we can react off this 15-minute gap. ES has not touched that gap just yet. It looks like it could. We've already taken out London lows. I was initially looking for us to reverse off of London lows, but we do have some low resistance liquidity resting down here. Do have some low resistance liquidity right there. So it's very, very high probability that this is where price is going to draw to. So we're just looking for some sort of opportunity to get in here, which it doesn't look like it's going to present to us because, we're just going up and up or just going down. Yeah, there's nothing really for us here. But while we do that, I can show you guys this. Have a big surprise for everybody. Have a big surprise. Don't mind the pants, bro. I always trade like this with no bottoms on. I always trade with no bottoms. All right. I could have just did this. Let me see. This is a surprise. We have 20 Apex accounts. We have 20 of these. So, it's guaranteed one of these it's guaranteed one of them is going to get funded, you know what I'm saying? One of them is going to get funded. Way more than one of them. So, way more than one of them. So, that's all I wanted to show everybody, to just show you guys. Like, we had a good trade. If you guys follow my Twitter, you guys saw this yesterday. But yesterday we had a bad day. We entered a position and ended up closing $15 away from passing the account. And I tried to make that $15 back, but I was doing something and accidentally went in with the same position size I started off with and then fried myself. So, yeah, that wasn't fun. But I was going to say, okay, let's just get another account and just go right back in. And I was like, no, let's chill. Let me chill. Stayed out the markets, did a good thing. I was about to do something on my phone, though. I was going to log in. The trading view here on my phone. Trading's so much easier when you're not, like, occupied with 30 other things, bro. Like, holy crap, it's so much easier. All right, so we can go ahead and take this off our charts then, since, we already have everything taken out. London highs, Asia highs. We actually targeted Asia, already took out Asia lows. Still have SMT lower, so I'm looking to see if we can actually, get us something interesting here. Get us something good. And I'd like to see us inverse some sort of gap. Kind of fill this 5-minute right here. Inverse some sort of gap on the lower time frame. Fill this 5-minute. reject that 5 minute, and then come back down to continue taking out this low resistance liquidity right here. It just doesn't look like it's going to be possible, though. We're not getting any sort of anything. But I will come back to you guys after we take a trade. All right, so we are looking at taking this long position just up to this 5 minute gap right here. Looking to take this long position to this 5 minute gap. If we don't get it now, then we're probably just going to blow past on the next candle if we're bullish here. But we swept these 15-minute lows, have SMT off those lows. All right, we gave those longs a shot there. Let's see, we're on account 85. I don't know why it's not coming up. Oh, because we're on the big NQ. Because we're on the big NQ. We're just targeting the top of this 5 minute gap right here. Might just be done here, actually. We're going to buy, so we got to sell back 3. I actually want to look at this on MNQ. So this is where my charts are. This is where everything looks just right, dress at. Either way, this is the trade we're in, though. Have it pulled up on our phone. So it's not a bad setup, in my opinion. It obviously is extremely counter trend, but and then this was a 1 minute inversion, so it doesn't really make sense to go break even, but in any normal market condition, this would be our break even point right here. I do think it's gonna work out. It's just the fact that, you know, December markets do move a little bit differently, so we'll just see how it operates and see if we got our draw right. Kind of chopping around here right now, but as long as we're not dumping, it's fine. Yeah, this is probably it, maybe. probably it for us. We're down 1,700 right now. Basically, like, our stop loss is basically like right here, because we have like 2,500 of drawdown. So this is essentially our stop loss right there. I would love for this trade to just go, though. Obviously, I would love to win. But all right, that's it right there. We're out. All right, so we are down to 19 accounts now. 19 accounts we are down to. 19 accounts. It's like after I take a loss, I don't ever want to do shit with my day. But overall, I don't think it was like the worst position in the world. Like, to be completely honest, I still think it might actually work out. It's just our stop loss was supposed to be like this. But like, it's just a rough target to get to, honestly. It's a rough target to get to. I've seen it happen before, though. Seen it happen before. I had SMT off of these 15-minute lows within a 15-minute gap. Inversed, you know. Watch it just work out from here, but a little bit oversized. A little bit oversized, so our stop loss is right here, and should have been right there. But for us to be able to do that, we would have simply had to target more. Like, if we had our stop loss here, our target would have to be somewhere like up there for us to be able to hit it. But we'll see what it does. Look at her go. Look at her go. Look at her go. All right, we would have been at break even now. We would have been at break even right now. See where we go from there. See if we send or not. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. I gotta start taking these trades on like my actual account, bro, because I've been hitting shit, bro. For real, for real. I have been hitting shit. See if we send just to the top of this gap right here. I'm sure we will. Well, ES already hit the target. So either way, it's a banger. ES already hit the target. But yeah. I'm gonna get off of here. The market is about to chop now. We've already had the move for the day. So we're gonna be done. Go ahead, get off of here, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow.